Hello, we are back. We've gone down into some native bushland because we're maniacs.
Yeah.
And Jack's going to show us how to hop the log.
Oh, I was going around. I didn't really have a run up for it. Curtis is going to show us though. Please don't run into me.
Don't tell me what to do.
Do what I want.
Oh.
Ugh, I hate this. This sucks.
Big rocky downhills. We'll probably like end up fast forwarding this or just like see you at the bottom. Oh, fuck,
yeah, probably.
Unless someone eats it.
Unless someone eats shit.
Sorry. Like 3 wheels locked. I don't know. It's a seal. It's such a shield. Oh, no. Let me put the video open.
Yeah. No. Probably not.
Maybe 50 meters long, yeah. This is like 200 meters of just like.
Okay.
Oh, it's so wet.
Yeah.
And like GoPro was going to do this justice. It's still
Yeah. How about you fuck up?
touch grass. Not that anyone actually comes over here. Oh. Okay. Oh, I shoulder as well.
This is miserable.
Oh, fuck.
I'm just gonna send it in its last bit, I think.
Yeah, and it's scary as piss. Yeah.
There we go. Through the paddle.
Okay. Now you can look back and see me just struggling.
Oh, you are very cross up. Oh, there he goes. Are you okay?
Shit. I think so. Doesn't help my bike's heavy as piss.
It's quite wet down here.
It's quite wet everywhere, Jack.
Oh, really?
Okay. Woo. Wonderful. Okay, is the bike okay, that's alright. Shit, I don't know how I'm gonna get back on this motherfucker. Okay. Oh, don't leave me. I want to roll away.
Oh god.
Okay. I'm back on. Fix my mirrors. Need to make sure I can see who's behind me.
Yeah, just in case someone comes up behind you, mate.
I think we'd hear them coming. Because all the people that normally ride out here are just freaks. Oh yeah. Oh, this is scary.
Once you get to the big tree on your right, just like get on your pegs and send it.
Yeah.
There's a lot of runoff. So
I did that last time.
Yeah, same.
And Ash waited in the bottom for 15 minutes.
For us to get down.
Oh.
Oh. Go for it.
Okay.
You got this.
So let me turn my motorcycle on.
Or
yeah,
maybe just roll down.
Wait, neutral. Got an engine light on.
Oh.
And I'll figure it out at the bottom, I guess.
Okay.
Okay. And here we go.
Oh.
It didn't want to run. It tried.
Is your fuel on?
Let's just turn it off and back on again. See if that works. That's good.
Ah, that's what it was. Just needed a soft reset, mate.
It did.
If you follow this to the right, there's a cool little log jump.
Follow. Are you talking about that one right there?
No, this one here. No, not that one. This one here.
Okay, well, why don't we hit that log jump?
Okay. On your bike.
Just let me just do my glove up properly.
Just get ready for it, mentally and physically.
I don't know. Can you do it first? I still don't have the confidence on the bike.
Okay.
I need to see someone else do it.
There's not very good stuff on the other side of it though.
Oh,
like
well, I guess we
log.
won't do it. Fine, whatever.
Do this one.
Lead the way then, come on.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought it was on like a hill.
Oh.
You've hyped it up a bit.
It's just a little log jump. Made it sound much worse than what it really was.
Oh, nearly died in the process.
Nice.
Oh well, I guess we'll follow this single track.
Okay.
Wow, that log jump looks terrible.
Yeah, that's why I was like, there's shit stuff on the other side, because you have to actually be good.
Right, off you go, on your horse.
Alright. See if we can find a bit more of a challenging log hop. Like this one. Oh, I don't know about that actually.
Neither do I.
Wait, where does it go?
Probably follows the creek.
You reckon?
No, I see it, to the right.
Where? Where?
To the right!
Oh, there?
No, hey, I'll lead the way and you follow me.
Alright. I can't see shit.
So much water.
Oh, I see it. It's up there.
I said to the right.
Oh dear. That wasn't good. That really wasn't good for the startup. Here we're going. Here we're going.
Yeah, dude. Turn it on for the last bit so I can get a thumbnail. Just loop it out or something real quick.
Oh, she's missing real bad.
Oh no, you're on the... Oh.
This is missing real bad. There we go.
Nice.
She was struggling there for a bit.
I could tell.
It was like brr, brr.
You had that look of, oh fuck, in your eyes at the end there.
Why's it got to go back downhill?
Only a little bit. Ooh. Ooh, random log. Oh, it's going back uphill. You right there? Yeah, you're right there.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh, log hop. Oh, fuck. Go.
Oh. Lordy.
Ooh. Well, that's a big pair of trees. We had to really go out after everywhere's like real wet and floody.
Wait, what the fuck?
Oh.
That way maybe?
Maybe just go back up because I can see the lookout right there.
There we go. Made it. Meanwhile, people are like, why didn't you just hop over the logs?
I've fallen over.
Oh.
Help, I've fallen over and I can't get back up.
Oh, really?
No, I can. It's just kind of funny because the bike's on its side.
Oh, right.
I hit a real wet log and just lost the big girl.
Nice.
No, I got mud on my whip. Probably would have been easier to hop the log in all honesty.
You reckon?
No. You gonna turn on this time, bike?
She does not like being put on her side.
No. This is a problem, it's not turning on.
Turn it up and turn it back on again.
Oh yeah.
That worked last time.
Might have a tip over sensor.
Maybe.
Yeah, it worked great.
Oh, maybe that is what it is.
Must have some kind of tip over sensor.
Get it, big boy, get it. Oh yeah, get it. Oh no. That doesn't look good.
I'm a bit cool Zach.
Bit bogged.
I'm stuck.
Cool Zach. Yes!
Apparently we're going this way. How'd you get there? Oh, it does this.
Yeah, just follow the track. Give it right. Oh, my nut is being squished currently.
Dude, these store pants are good, but man, they have zero ballroom. I think the issue is I just have really big balls.
Big nuts. Just, I don't know. Looking at the way that we ride, neither of us do.
I got physically large testicles. But my brain...
Not metaphorically.
No. All my massive legs that just fill these pants out. God, I thought you were gonna fucking roost me.
Nah.
You missed me.
I was gonna say, I don't think I got you.
Dude, it's so slippery. I tried to take off sensibly and I was spinning.
Yeah. Doesn't help when you have like fucking 5mm knob on your rear tyre.
Not 5mm, come on, it'd be at least 10.
Mate, there's a bigger knob in the seat. Got him!
Oh, you're so funny.
Fuck, I hope I'm still recording.
This bit will be edited out of the video.
You motherfucker. I get a sick burnie like now. No, shit burn.
Can I lock hop?
Lock hops for days, son.
I hopped the front wheel over and just like smashed it with the back.
Yeah, that's the way to do it, mate.
A little bit of airflow over my sweaty ribs. Right, we're going to turn this off and pick this up later.
Yes, we shall.